Go.
Ladies and gentlemen, imagine you are in the poorest country, for example, Ghana in Africa. And there you are one of a child and one of children, and you have nothing to do. There is no school and there is no place to play with your friends. So you spend a day by yourself, and at some point you get hungry. However, there is no way to get food. So you go to the place where the trashes are abandoned, and you start to find food there. And that's all you have to find food and get out of the starvation. Like this, in most developing nations, child who sent to work would not otherwise be in schools or playgrounds to play with the other children. Therefore, somehow they will try to earn money, and there will be some companies or factories will hire the child in order to get a cheap labor. So I believe that it is more dangerous to illegalize the child labor, and it's more dangerous because they will gonna work in more poor conditions, and there is no laws to protect them. And so if we justify the child labor, it will reduce at least the begging for other people, or even in the worst case, the prostitutions. And also, it can increase the income into poor countries. Even $1 a day, which seems shockingly low by our standards, is enough to buy a meal for the poor family. So they need every source of money they can find because they are starving. And also, I wonder that almost all of the developed countries, such as USA and European Western countries, at some point in their histories when they were developing, they also used the child labor. However, it is very, very hypocritical for some countries trying to impose their values on the developing countries, which are still desperately poor. So, so as all things concerned, this House once again strongly contend that child labor is justified and should be justified in developing countries.